Akukacaci ukuthi udokotela Nandipha Magudumana benoThabo Bester bazofika qathatha yini enkantolo njengoba bavela ngohlelo lwezokuxhumana ngenyanga edlule.
So we are also looking cautiously as to whether what will their appetite be, but tomorrow they might appear virtually and they might be, cooperating with the process, but up their sleeve is that they are waiting, or they are still go to the Supreme Court of Appeal.
Emva kokuthi uMagudumana efake isicelo esiphikisana nendlela aboyiswa ngayo kwelaseTanzania nokuyisenzo asichaza njengesingekho emthethweni, inkantolo yasichitha ngelithi azange abe manqikanqika uma ebuyiswa kuleli.
Basically, we're going to hear that she might extend that suspension for bail application because we're still waiting for the report for leave to appeal, which is not yet been received currently. Then for accused that are coming on another ones, as the accused number 9 who's been joined. The accused number 9, on the first time, he only explained to the court that he needs an attorney.
Abasolwa ababili bangaphandle ngebheyili.